What's up, YouTube? Murphy Firearms Training. Got in my newest toy from Black Aces Tactical. Normally an unboxing video, I will get this in and I will take the serial number off the gun and do the paperwork. And this one I actually had to do something else, and I'll show you that. And then I put it back and I do my unboxing video. But this one, I actually had to do something with the gun. So it came with a hard case, which I thought was pretty cool. A lot of guns don't come with hard cases anymore, so that's pretty cool. And this was on sale at Palmetto State Armory. This is the Pro Series L. It is a lever action 12 gauge. Lever action 12 gauge. Pretty cool. Pretty smooth action. This thing, when it came, the desiccant pack had busted. And I don't know if y'all can see all these little beads. But they were all in the action of the gun, so I had to clean that up and whatever. And so, anyway, that was fun. But here's how it came. The gun was wrapped in plastic. Came with chokes. And it came with this box here, which, if you're familiar with these guns, is the bird's head grip. Bird's head grip. So I'm going to go ahead and open this up and show it to you. So it's a little doodad right here, bird's head grip, and it would go right here and replace the buttstock to handle this firearm just like so. So maybe we'll put that on. I am super excited about this gun. I want to do a range review of it come the spring, and I will probably do a teardown video next, but this is just an unboxing video. So it came with the bird's head grip, came with the shotgun, came in a hard case, which is really cool. It does take Benelli style chokes, and it comes with, ta-da, one choke installed, two more chokes, and a choke tube wrench, and a little case. So this is a full choke, and this is a cylinder bore, and what comes in the gun apparently is the modified. So 1 mark, 5 marks. And I'm going to assume the one in the barrel, I haven't looked, let's take a look, is 3 marks. So 1, 3, and 5. So it's got the threads on the muzzle end of the choke. So this, the Pro Series L, it does have a flip safety here. It is very, very easy to actuate. And part of me says it's actually too easy to actuate because it's very, very easy. I could see bumping this on very easily. But anyway, it loads through here. So it's a loading gate, very similar to a pump shotgun. Okay. It does hold 5 2 3/4 inch shells. And like I said, you run this action, it is very smooth. I was really surprised. I got this gun on sale. This is November 2021. I got this gun on sale for $2.99 and free shipping. And I've always wanted a lever action shotgun. But it's more of a novelty. I don't see myself using it a whole lot. And so, you know, when you see them out there for $800 and $1,000 for these Winchesters, I really can't justify that. But, and this is with the synthetic stock. It is the low-end model, but, you know, hey, it's a pretty cool little gun. And for me, I'm 5'10". The length of pull is perfect to run the action from the shoulder. It could be just a hair shorter. Couple of things I do want to show you. It's got a pretty decent, fairly squishy recoil pad on it. Excited to shoot it. Comes with a rear sling swivel there. And then the front sling swivel wraps around the magazine tube here. It's kind of a neat little deal. It does clank against the barrel. Like I said, 5+1. A nice smooth action. For a shotgun, not a bad trigger. You know, shotgun triggers, really, you don't have to have a super great trigger on a shotgun. But pretty neat little action. Long lever pull, but easier than I thought it would be from the shoulder. Locks up nice. Pretty excited about it. For sights, it is typical shotgun, has a front bead. A couple things I'll show you. That front bead is a white front bead. So it has a white front bead there. I don't know if that's focusing really well on that or not, but really nice white front bead there, so it's pretty easy to pick up. And your rear I'm drawing a blank on this. Anyway, the flat part here, the flat part of your receiver here, where you kind of look for that marble on a table for a typical shotgun, is actually got a little V-notch in it. And this would accept like the scope rings for a .22 rifle. So the rimfire style rings, looks like it's made for those. So I do think if you got the right setup for this, like for a rimfire rifle, you could actually mount a red dot on this shotgun. So I may play with putting like a rear peep sight or a red dot on this gun at some point. We'll see. I don't know. It is chambered for 2 3/4 inch and 3-inch shells. And it is, of course, made in Turkey, imported by Black Aces Tactical in Longwood, Florida. So this is the synthetic stocks. Got a little stippling here, got a little stippling here. Pretty much what you see is what you get. It is all black, 18.5-inch barrel, aluminum receiver, steel bolt, steel barrel. You know, what else can I say about it? Leave questions in the comments. It is a neat little gun, and I can't wait to do, the takedown video. More importantly, I cannot wait to do the range video for this. So come spring, we're going to take this out to the range and shoot some stuff with it, see how it runs. I'm assuming it's going to run like a pump shotgun, which is 100% very, very, very reliable. Very excited to see if this thing shoots where it points. May go bust some clays with it. We'll see. But anyway, wanted to show you this. It's a neat little toy. And if you have questions about this gun, please do ask, and I will do a teardown video in the very near future. Guys, I appreciate your support. Everything you do for the channel is going to go back into the channel. And so, you know, anything you see on here, I bought with my money. Any ammo we use, I buy with my money. And so anything we can get in terms of support from the channel, more views, more likes, more subs, we're going to put it back into the channel. And if you have any suggestions, send them my way. Appreciate the support. Thanks, guys.